How to rename tabs group on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to rename tabs group on Samsung Internet Browser. First then open the browser and now just click here in the bottom corner this icon here, click on it, and after you click on it like this group here, just hold on it, hold on any group you want to rename and then click rename here, and here you can change it as you see, and now click rename. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.